And I'm just doing something, and I got to show you this. This is more experimentation that's just going really well, and I think that you'll enjoy this. So what I did was I went out just on the perimeter of my property, just out by the road, and I got about 4 species. I got aspen, popple, autumn olive, and then one that I didn't know. And I just took 2 minutes and clipped them off until I had a bucket load, and then I brought it in and dumped it to these guys. And what I did was they've already been fed. And I wanted to see, okay, what is it that they don't eat? So I guess at the end of this, we'll see what's left here, and we'll kind of know what they don't eat. But I must have had 100 pounds of material there, and it took me about 5 minutes to get it. So why aren't we doing this? I mean, there's so much of it. And around my property, I could send somebody out every day to trim trees just to make them look good, because we've got a lot of trees. And I don't think we'd ever catch up to it. Now, I'm not insinuating here that we can feed pigs completely on tree fodder, but I mean, we could, like, maybe we could make this better. What if we ran this through a chipper shredder and added a few things to it? What would that look like? I don't know, but I'm going to try it and see. I am surmising that the pigs are going to get minerals from the trees that they're not getting in the feed that I'm planting or the forages that I plant. Because out here, these forages their roots only go down so far. But the trees, their roots go way down. So I'm thinking that there's going to be a mineral boost from this tree foddering. Huh. Pretty cool. I'm not seeing anything here that they're not eating. They're definitely eating that autumn olive. That white one right there is going to it. So is that black one. So is this black one. And then that white one over there is eating popple. And then that brown one over there is going to the aspen. He's just going wild on the aspen. How about that? Huh. Mine, all mine. Wait till you touch that fence, then you get a mouthful of fence there. All right, so this is the field that I tilled it, and I just came out and planted it just before I did this. And one of the benefits of tilling it and then planting it with them on it, yeah. And I'm figuring in about a week is when we'll start see germination. As soon as I start seeing germination out here, I'll let those guys go in on another field so that this stuff can take off. I planted kale and clover. So we'll see how she goes. Anyone can farm.